If you bought a Blossom sprinkler controller and recently found out that the Scott Corporation has decided to discontinue all server-side activity, and you went to use your sprinkler controller and found out that it is completely bricked, there is no way to fix it, and if you've had it more than the warranty, it is now an effective paperweight. I am here to tell you that is not the case. There is still a way that you can get value out of this unit. You just have to follow this simple reset instruction. First, as usual, you want to push the reset button, which I'm sure you're familiar with by now because you've done this a number of times already, I'm sure. Push the reset button and hold it for 15 seconds. After 15 seconds, you let go. Okay. It should be about 15. And it starts to flash like that. Now quickly, before it stops, thoroughly reset the device. Okay. Now that it's reset, plug it back in and proceed.